What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, welcome back in my garage. Today, well, it might be a very exciting day, but first of all, hope you all had a great Christmas. Very fun Christmas Eve with all of your family. Had some nice presents, gave people some nice presents, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it. But now, Christmas has passed, it's on to the new year, and before that, I really hope to get this part of the car finished. I get the rear done and painted again. As of now, it looks like this. That's the last layer of putty I put on there in my previous video. That video can be found probably up here somewhere and down in the description, as well as the first part of the rebuild I will put down in the description. Well, to start the day off, I'm gonna be sanding this, and well, I'll probably skip through most of it, show you a little, and when this is done, this was the filler putty. I hope I can go ahead and finish up with some finishing putty so to get it nice and smooth, and then hopefully be able to get it painted before the new year. But as of today, it's the 26th. I do not have too much time left to be able to finish it before the new year, but let's get cracking and hope we're done today. Alright guys, shape is looking fine. I'm very happy about it, so now the time is coming to use the finishing putty. First, I'm gonna quickly take the bumper off, because in here, in between, I need to clean it up, and this will be needed to clean up. So the only way I can really reach that good is by taking the bumper off. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I can apply some of the finishing putty. Got all the fine putty on. Bumper is done as well. And I'm gonna keep it off for now. Lambo style. Rear bumper delete. Only my backside isn't as good looking as that of the Lambo. But yeah, it's gonna stay like this for now. Well, only for a few hours until this is dry. It's looking really good already. This will be sanded and then it's ready for paint. So New Year is gonna be with the repainted backside, so that's all gonna be nice and clean for driving into the new year. But yeah, let's get this dry and get back to sanding. Alright you guys, gave it some time to dry. Everything is nice and dry now. I already took the opportunity and sanded the top part of the bumper. Already sprayed it a little bit because that's a very hard to reach part. Also down here I already sanded this and sprayed under here because that's also a hard to reach part. So now I can go on and remount the bumper. That's a lot easier to be working it with some sandpaper, and from there, well, when the sanding is done, I'm already down for some paint. I'm gonna start by doing the red paint, and hopefully I still have enough time to let that dry and get the white on top of it, but we'll see how that goes. First, gonna start mounting the bumper. It's starting to look like a car again. Well, not that it never was, but it's really looking clean. So gonna get all this fine putty sanded off now, and well, then it's time for some masking and time for some new red paint. So I'm ready for some paint. Already got everything masked off a little bit, just with some newspapers. Wheel is masked off, just to be sure. Did some tape over the light and down there. So let me grab my rattle cans, my mask, and let's get ready for some paint. Give everything a fresh coat of red paint. It's still wet, so I'm not touching it, but I can very carefully start taking all of the masking papers off, and then we can see how it looks and if I didn't miss the line. Oh guys, got the line going nice and straight all the way to the front. But I don't think I have any time left to finish up with the light. This paint still has to dry and well, time is running out. I really want to get this video out on time and I have so much stuff to do. So I'm probably gonna finish the white just off camera and show you how it turned out in my next video. Guys, for now, as of always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below on what you might want to see on this channel, and be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out.